Hi, John with PadPrinters.com, talking about TOSH Micro 90 today and installing the TOSH TRCN2S Rotary table, which is this guy right here. So it's possible that right now you have a Micro 90. This is set up right now for one color. Could it be that it is on a table stand and you want to upgrade to using the floor stand and rotary table? So if you have the print head, which is this guy right here with the clamp, and it's a table stand, that means that instead of being on this long post, it's on this short little post like this. And instead of having that long adjusting screw on there, which allows you to raise and lower the print head and this work arm right here, you have this short little screw that just allows you to adjust the head up and down on this short post. So if you want to add a rotary table, you need to buy the floor stand kit, which includes this longer post that simply screws into the base with the 4 bolts down through there from the bottom. The longer screw comes with that, and so does this adjustable height work arm, which is a completely separate accessory that clamps to the post, just like the head does with that clamp. So that's what the floor stand is. You also need to purchase, if you don't already have one, the TO100XY positioning table, which is this guy right here. Never mind my bike in the background there. So if you don't have those two accessories, you need to get them. Finally, this machine was previously set up without the rotary table, just printing one color with the floor stand. And in that case, I had my little golf ball nest right here set up. So it was simply mounted to the XY table, which is this guy. Now, when I wanted to install this table on here, the rotary table, what I had to do was I had to move the work arm down on the floor stand post 120 millimeters. Why 120 millimeters? Because it's 120 millimeters from the bottom of this plate to the top of the dial. So in order to be able to accommodate the rotary table, you need to move the arm down 120 millimeters from where it was if you were already printing with the work arm in a single nest like that mounted to the TO100. The other thing I had to do was, because normally this left-right adjustment would be over here on the right side, and this adjustment for in and out would be in the front, I had to take off that TO100 and turn it 180 degrees. Why? Because otherwise the right-left adjustment would be inaccessible because of where the motor is on the table. So again, Micro 90, if you have a table stand, you need to buy the floor stand in the TO100XYR positioning table. And if you already have the floor stand, you need to turn the XYR positioning table 180 degrees and lower the arm about 120 millimeters to compensate for the additional height of the rotary table. Thanks.